The Great Wall Motors Haval H7 has officially earned a 5-star safety rating from the Australian New Car Assessment Program, marking an important milestone for the mid-size sport utility vehicle as it enters the Australian market. The result confirms that the Haval H7 delivers strong protection for occupants while also offering modern crash avoidance technology that meets current safety expectations. In crash testing conducted by the Australian New Car Assessment Program, the Haval H7 demonstrated stable performance in both frontal and side impact scenarios. Protection for front seat occupants was rated as good across most critical body regions, while side impact testing returned particularly strong results. These outcomes show that the Haval H7 structure and restraint systems are capable of managing severe collision forces effectively. The Haval H7 also performed well in child occupant protection testing, providing reassurance for families who prioritize safety. Safety assist systems contributed further to the 5-star rating, with the vehicle offering a suite of standard driver assistance features designed to reduce the likelihood of a crash occurring in the first place. These systems work together to support the driver in everyday driving situations, including highway travel and urban traffic. During full-width frontal crash testing, the Australian New Car Assessment Program identified an issue involving the driver head restraint becoming dislodged from the seatback. While overall occupant protection remained within 5-star requirements, this unexpected result prompted immediate attention. Great Wall Motors responded by initiating a voluntary recall covering all Haval H7 vehicles sold in Australia to address the head restraint concern. The Australian New Car Assessment Program emphasized that the integrity of restraint systems is fundamental to vehicle safety. Following the identification of the issue, Great Wall Motors worked with the Safety Authority to ensure that corrective action would be implemented for both current and future owners. Vehicles built from the 15th of October 2025 are covered by the updated 5-star rating as standard. For Haval H7 vehicles built before this date, the 5-star safety rating will apply once the recall action has been completed. Owners of affected vehicles are encouraged to visit their local dealership to ensure the update is carried out, reinforcing the vehicle safety performance as intended. Overall, the Great Wall Motors Haval H7 5-star safety rating highlights solid crash protection, strong safety assist performance, and a proactive response to identified concerns.